Alright, we're back at Bass Pro on the other side of the store. Back at these US elevators. Filmed these a while back. Let's see how they're doing today. Four. It stopped here before. Did the exact same thing. We got one more floor to go here. Here we are at 4. Let's get off and switch cars. Close on me there. That smells good up here. Hemingway's, that's the restaurant up here. You guys coming down?
Yeah.
Which floor?
The bottom. I don't know what there.
Oh, there's an exit on 2. You want to go to 2 or just 1?
One.
Okay.
So can we pop to that National Sporting Arms Museum real quick?
Depends on the timing, whatever you think.
Yeah, what time you want to get there? If you're talking,
I don't,
I definitely don't think we need to do, like we'll do that and then leave.
Because the others might be there and be fun to all go in together.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah, I'll check and see.
I have no idea.
have a good one, guys.
Okay,
Oh,
thank
you're
you.
going, okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Pretty sure the door close works. It closes too quickly. Let's get a cab view. It's not as wide as the ThyssenKrupp on the other side, but it's still a pretty nice elevator. Nice mural on the ceiling here, the lights. All right, let's go back up to 4. And we'll look out the window. Here we are at 4. Man, the smell just hits me with the food here. It smells really good. All right, let's go back down to 1. Four is the only floor that works here on the indicator. Here we are at 1. Man, that AC feels really nice. There it goes. And that's it.